Some people can destroy your peace with one sentence, one text, one comment, one rude look, and suddenly your whole mood changes. You replay the conversation again and again in your head. You think about what you should have said. You feel angry, frustrated, drained. But here's what I finally understood. Most toxic people are not trying to solve a problem. They are trying to control your emotions. That's the real game. They want your reaction, your anger, your frustration, your defensive explanation. That emotional reaction becomes fuel for them, and the more emotional you become, the more power they feel. For years, I thought staying silent meant weakness. I thought I had to explain myself, defend myself, correct every misunderstanding. But some people are not trying to understand you. They are committed to misunderstanding you. No matter how clear you explain, they will twist your words anyway, because truth is not their goal, reaction is. That's why arguments with toxic people never end. You answer one thing, they create another. You explain one thing, they attack something else. Because they don't want peace, they want engagement. And the worst part is, while they move on quickly, you carry the stress for hours, sometimes for days. That's when I learned something powerful. You cannot win a game you refuse to play. Instead of reacting emotionally, become emotionally neutral. There's something called the gray rock method. It means becoming boring to toxic people. Short response, calm energy, no emotional performance. Instead of saying, "How could you say that about me?" you simply say, "Okay." Instead of defending yourself for 10 minutes, you say, "I hear you." That's it. No fight, no fire, no emotional fuel. And slowly, the other person loses power over you. Because toxic people need emotional reactions to survive. When they can't get one from you, they often lose interest. This doesn't mean you become cold, it means you become harder to manipulate. You stop giving your energy to people who never deserved it. One of the biggest mistakes in life is giving deep emotional access to shallow people. Not everyone deserves your explanations. Not everyone deserves your vulnerability. And other person's emotional chaos is not your responsibility to fix. Protect your peace, protect your energy, save the real version of yourself for people who truly care about you. Because the moment you stop reacting to every provocation is the moment people stop controlling you. So if this helped you, comment helpful and save this to watch again later. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.